Today, we're going to learn how to draw something that brightens up our lives. Quite literally, we're drawing a lamp. First, draw an oval shape. Then draw two long curved lines extending downward from both sides of oval. Now draw multiple zigzag lines. Now draw two vertical curved lines. Then draw a small curved line. Now draw a circle. Now draw two curved lines. Then draw one more curved line. Now draw an oval. Then draw one more long curved line. Now draw two long curved lines. If you want, add some color to your drawing using colored pencils or markers. Feel free to add your own creative touches or background elements to make your drawing unique.